Semiconductor Packaging. John D. Thomas, Alex Ruth. Book 5, Section 2, Chapter 2, Topic 4, Part 2. Challenges and Considerations. Despite their benefits, burn-in and testing pose several challenges and considerations in semiconductor packaging, including a. Cost and time. Burn-in and testing processes can be time-consuming and costly, requiring specialized equipment, resources, and facilities. Manufacturers must balance the need for thorough testing with the constraints of time to market and cost-effectiveness. b. Test coverage. Achieving comprehensive test coverage is essential to identify all potential defects and reliability issues. However, designing and implementing exhaustive test protocols can be complex and challenging, requiring careful consideration of test methodologies, parameters, and conditions. c. Stress-induced failures. The stress and environmental conditions applied during burn-in and testing may induce failures or degradation in semiconductor packages. Manufacturers must carefully control and monitor the stress levels to avoid overstressing the devices and causing premature failures. Future trends and technologies. As semiconductor packaging evolves, new trends and technologies are emerging to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of burn-in and testing processes. This includes the adoption of advanced test equipment, automated test systems, and machine learning algorithms for data analysis and defect detection. Additionally, the integration of built-in self-test (BIST) features and on-chip monitoring capabilities enables real-time monitoring and diagnostics, enhancing overall product reliability and performance. In conclusion, burn-in and testing are essential processes in semiconductor packaging that play a critical role in ensuring the quality, reliability, and functionality of outgoing semiconductor packages. By subjecting devices to rigorous stress and evaluation procedures, manufacturers can identify defects, ensure compliance with standards, and enhance customer satisfaction and trust in the products. Despite the challenges and complexities involved, ongoing advancements in test technologies and methodologies are driving improvements in semiconductor packaging quality assurance, paving the way for enhanced product reliability and performance in the future. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.